Let's make Bharli Bhindi. Start by washing and drying the okra completely. Trim the ends and make a careful slit lengthwise for stuffing. Prepare all the okra pieces this way. Shallow fry peanuts until lightly golden. Roast sesame seeds until fragrant. Roast cumin seeds separately. Roast gram flour until aromatic. Let everything cool and remove peanut skins. Grind the peanuts, sesame and cumin with turmeric and red chili powder. Add the remaining spices asafoetida, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala and salt. Mix the ground spices with roasted gram flour. Carefully stuff each okra with this mixture. Heat oil and add mustard seeds, cumin and red chili powder. Add the stuffed okra and cook gently. Cover and cook on low heat. Keep cooking gently, turning occasionally. Add any remaining filling and cilantro. Cook until tender. Your flavorful Bharli Bhindi is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.